Oh, is that? No, it's not. Woo, woo, woo. I got it.
Did you?
Yes. But I don't know how to take it out. Oh, is it gone?
There it is.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's measure it.
I know. Some are green and brown. Robbie's making the crab look.
I don't know what I'm doing. It's like a big mess.
You know you're wasting your time, right?
You're not a believer. It's coming together. I'm gonna take the most crabs of anyone.
You believe in miracles. This is the handmade. And of course he gave it to me. And he got the good one borrowed from our neighbors. Thanks, Rob.
Yeah.
Rob, where are you going? To a wedding?
Yeah. Looking good for the crabs. Style.
That's your way of catching crabs?
I'm gonna attract them with my looks.
This is beautiful. Wish us good luck. So, how many we got?
Got about 12, 13 probably. For like 30 minutes.
I don't like this. Step on this seaweed. Slippery. It's sticking on my legs. Oh, I want to get out. Oh, my leg. Can you wait for me? Ah! Oh, here's one. Here's one. Oh, is that? No, it's not.
What's it, 12?
0.7?
Oh yeah, it's 13.
Yeah, cool. That's my crab.
Nice.
I got one. You can't even see them.
No?
Those covered in sand. Yeah, no.
Really?
Yeah. I got another one. I never stepped in so much seaweed in my life. Rob say do something every day you are afraid of. There you go. Done for the day. Here's another one. Small. Whee! There's one there and one there waiting. At the end, this one worked.
Yeah.
It's a bit smashed, but did the job.
That's all that matters.
All right.
Cool.
Time to go.
We have crab for breakfast.
Yes. And I'm full of mosquito bites.
Yeah. Good job.
That's what we caught last night. We put them in the fridge to...
Go to sleep.
Yeah. Time to clean them.
So this is the anatomy of the crabs. We have the male here and the female here. And the females generally have hair that contain the eggs to protect the eggs when they hatch.
She has the bush.
She's got the bush. The males, you can tell it's very pointy. It looks like very phallic, like a genital. So when you invert them, they usually have two. This is their like reproductive organ. And here's the poop. This is the poop line. So generally we just squeeze the base and the whole poop line comes off in one end. See, there it is. Just chuck it. So crabs are bottom feeders and they feed on, their job is to clean the ocean and feed on spoiled food. So they're usually crawling all around it and the hairs kind of contain that bacteria. So you want to clean the crabs as much as possible. We usually just scrub it under the ocean water. Any of the parts that have a bit of hair on them, discard them or save them for stock. So with the legs up to the forearm, And then that's it. So
No hairy stuff.
no hairy stuff on the claws. You just take it off. Generally, what hasn't been digested is inside the crab. So what we do is we can expose that and actually take it out before we eat it. Now we can just take off the stomach in one go because you don't want to contaminate the meat. So we just cut off any ends, like I said before, that have touched spoiled, rotten food. I clip off the gills because they're generally full of bitterness. I cut them in half because they're easier to eat like that. There it is. Nice beauty.
We are ready to cook.
Yeah.
I'm ready to eat. Alright, we're experimenting. That's garlic and ginger. Try this experiment.
Smells good. I like how you put the ginger and garlic in the thing.
So, how you open this? Oh, it's hot.
How good is that?
Wow, it's really good.
Yeah.
It's really good. Yeah. What are you making?
So, I don't know what I'm making, but I'm going for a kind of New Orleans Caribbean flavor. So we have capsicums, potatoes, lime, coconut, very Caribbean, leeks, ginger, and garlic. Now the holy trinity in Louisiana, New Orleans cooking is the celery. We don't have celery, so we're using seeds, capsicum, and leek or onion. There's no carrot. The holy trinity is those three ingredients.
It's full of flies. So you just put all together?
Yeah, that's the holy trinity together in the pan with ginger and garlic. Olive oil. One of the best things to do when you're cooking with crustaceans is to add wine. Add the wine first, and you want to add the crabs. Bring it to a boil.
It's enough. I'm not gonna fit in the pot.
No, it's a lot.
Look how cool is that? Half blue, half orange.
Yeah. Cook the crab in the wine for a bit, just until it's a bit hot, until it turns red, and then we took it off really quick.
Whoa.
Coconut milk. I'm gonna add the potatoes and let them get soft.
And then we add the crabs again.
Yeah. That's it, just to cover.
It's a paste. Finishing touch.
Last but not least, the lime. Green onions. Bon appetit.
Bon appetito. Oh my goodness.
That was a terrible recipe.
Wanna open a claw?
I think we should make it again, just because it was so bad. We need to make sure it was bad.
Yeah, right.
I'm speechless.
Can you open a claw?
Can I open it?